Hey everybody, this is Legacy Escape Box and my name is Brian. Today we're going to talk about the 4 things you need to host your own escape room. Hosting an escape room is a blast. I've done it a bunch of times. You get to have people over, friends and family. You get to run through the escape room that you've created, or in our case, the escape room that we've created. So we have designed a jillion escape rooms. We'll be sharing them one at a time online. So always check back at Legacy Escape Box for more escape rooms so you can see what we've done, see what we've created. You can utilize all or part of it. You can create and combine all of the different rooms and all of the different components and aspects and create your own things. And I'm really excited to see what you guys are going to create. So the very first thing you need to host your own escape room is a plan. So use the plans that we've created. For example, the Cold War escape room is a great spy theme escape room. So you can go in, you can go through the content. You can use that as a starting point to host your own escape room. One of the neat things about the escape rooms that we've created is that they can be done over and over again. So we've given these really open concepts, and yes, we do walk you through some very specific things, but you can use those open concepts and create your own rooms. And that's really what the future of the home escape room is getting those things together and making your own things that can be used over and over as opposed to only one and done, and that's pretty exciting. The second thing you'll need to host your own escape room is an invitation. Now, this is a paper invitation that we used in an escape room, but we've actually created some really awesome digital escape room invitations that you can use. We've made it really easy, so all you have to do is get on your smartphone or other device, download it, write your own things on that invitation and send it out to your friends. So if you have a smartphone, any other device at all would probably work, but a smartphone is great. All you have to do is write your own text on it. You need your name, address, place, and time. And we've designed a lot of these in different themes. So if you have a Cold War, Sherlock Holmes, any heist escape room, any of a host of other escape rooms, we've designed a bunch of different themes: time travel, sci-fi, outer space, whatever. Add your own custom information, send it out to family and friends, and boom, there you go, you've got an invitation to your escape room. The third thing you need to host your own escape room is a music playlist. Now, we've actually already gone through and spent a lot of hours curating escape room themed playlists. It's a great finishing touch to put on an escape room, to have the themed music playing in the background. We've gone through and created a lot of different playlists which can match your specific themed room. So make any escape room you want. All you have to do now is press play on the playlist that we've made for you. You can check all of this out at legacyescapebox.com. We've got rooms that we're sharing with you, of course, a lot of YouTube content. And then we've also got the music playlist and the invitations. Which brings me to our last point. The fourth and final thing you'll need to host your own escape room is, drumroll, a moderator. So a moderator can be anyone. I've designed a lot of escape rooms and I really enjoy being the moderator. So as the moderator, you want to ask good questions of the participants. You don't really want to give them the answers, but you want to guide them in the right direction. You want to be a really good moderator. You have to have the room set up perfectly, go through your checklist. If you're having multiple guests go through the room, then you need to have a checklist so that you can reset it properly every single time. Really take the time to know the escape room in and out. You're going to want to walk through it once or twice at least on your own so that you know every piece is accounted for, every piece is where it should be. And whenever participants have a question, you don't just, oh, here's the answer, it's XYZ. No. What you want to do is guide them in the right direction. You might want to ask them a question back. And a lot of times, answering a question with a question puts them on the right track so that they can discover the answer for themselves. Everybody really does want that moment where they figure out the puzzle and they really feel like they've accomplished something at that point. So being a good moderator means not directly giving away the answers, but guiding easily in the right direction. Really let people take the time to discover the answers on their own, and that is the true secret of being a great moderator. So I hope you can use all of these things to host your own escape room. It is a lot of fun. If you haven't done it, go ahead and get started, really. Go ahead and try to host your own escape room. You're going to love it, and you'll do it over and over and again. Thanks everyone for watching the video today. Make sure to like it, make sure to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you receive notifications when we do create new content. Thanks, and make sure to check out legacyescapebox.com for more on how you can host your own escape room. We'll see you guys next time.